Hey, I'm in your face. Anyway, hey guys, I want to bring another training aid to you, and it is the Power Up Wedge. I don't know if you've seen it or heard of it. It just so happens I know the developer of the Power Up Wedge, and I will tell you he's a baseball guy and a baseball guy through and through. And what he's done is he's developed a product that actually helps coaches speak less. We can talk as much as we want to about how the body works and the way it flows, but once we get aids and devices that go in line with the proper kinetic chain, it makes it so much easier to get feel, because feel is internal and specific to each person. So the Power Up Wedge puts players in the best position possible of any device I've seen to get the correct kinetic feel for their back foot. And what I mean by back foot is this. You guys know from watching videos with me, we believe that hitting happens from the ground up. We work hard to load onto the inside of our back knee. Because of the wedge and its very specific design, this allows hitters to get into the back knee without having to think about it because of the positioning of their foot. So I'm going to show it to you, but I'm also going to tell you this. If you're a person who doesn't load as well as you'd like, you put one of these on your feet and you just do your load, you're going to load well, okay? But that's not the part that is so impressive to me. The part that's impressive to me is it allows you to trigger, drive, explode much more responsively because your body is in the proper position that you probably have never been in before. So if you need backside help getting there, like I would have needed as a player because I had fat feet that rolled outside, if you need that, get the Power Up Wedge, put it on and train with it. We're going to have some more videos with this because it's done some phenomenal things for our players. Let me show you over here what it's like, how you put it on, and how it works. We'll go from there. So it's really simple to put on. You undo the Velcro. You're going to put the arch of your foot on the middle of the Power Up Wedge with it on the outside of your back foot. So the angle is on the outside of your back foot. Oop, I didn't prepare it as well as I should have. So it's a child size because I got one that we've been using with little guys. So I just have to adjust it a little bit. Nothing to it. Got it adjusted. Ready to roll. Put it down. Look at that. Even get a demonstration of how easy it is to adjust to a fat foot versus one of our kiddos' feet. Lock it in, Velcro it down, and you're ready to go. So what you'll see, well, we'll do it this way. What you can already see is that I'm standing with my knee on the inside of my foot automatically. Even if I try to stand over it, you'll see there's tilt to my ankle. There's tilt to my ankle, and I'm not able to stand like this unless I was to move my foot. So get that down there. We get into our stance, and this is where I love this. When you're trying to get guys to get back into their back knee. So they're staying down, they're ready to go. They lean back into that knee, and that foot angles them back into their knee. You also feel it in your hip. And as you guys know from watching our videos, you're gonna have heel pressure, and then it comes into, you feel the back knee, and you feel the buttocks, and then bam! So feeling that when you get back, being tight or muscles firing is a great thing. That the training aid does for the hitter. It allows them to feel it. And because it allows them to feel it, I can't ask for anything more. Once they start feeling that, then they start trying to search for it. They're trying to get into it and really feel it more and more and more. And then you start, if you've watched our videos on strides, there's 6 different ones. If you've watched them, then you'll know that you can start feeling for it in a bigger leg kick, or a better, more defined knee tuck, or a more defined tap step. But that process, because of the wedge and feeling it in the backside without us having to talk about it, is invaluable. If you need backside help, if you have hitters that need backside help, this is what you need to do. And that's just the beginning all right? So I'm gonna go a little step further because this is for my members. This is not me doing anything else. Here's where I get excited. And if you're a pitcher and a thrower, it's the same thing. Okay, where I get excited is this. We get guys to our back leg, and we do that so we can ride the back leg. We pick our foot up, we land, our weight is still in our back leg with our foot in the right position because of the wedge, and we're all stacked up, and we're gonna ride the back leg into contact. Bam, right? Now, we start doing drills with guys, and we've got 61 of them here. You're gonna see a large portion of them are teaching guys how to ride the back leg and then bam, so they can get knee below knee, can control the right tilt to the hips and let the top half waka! So if you don't know what waka means, stay with me. It's coming. It's coming. So the Power Up Wedge does tremendous things for the backside, tremendous things for the load, and tremendous things for riding the back knee. I'm telling you, if that's a need, you can talk about it till you're blue in the face, or you can use the Power Up Wedge. When in doubt, hit it out.